Hey and welcome to Alpha One. No, this is not a clickbait. I give you now $50 free. You do not need to deposit nothing. The only thing you need to do, push this link up there right now, register, take you 1 minute to register, and you will have $50 free money in your account. Like I said, you don't need to nothing. You don't need to deposit nothing. Free money for you. How amazing is that? So if you ever wanted to try out binary option, but you've always been a little afraid to start with your own real money, this is chance for you. Also link below the video if you want to have free $50. So then now you can try out, for example, one of my strategies. One of my strategies is like this. Just add candlestick chart here. So now as you get $50 free from me, you can try out my strategy. And if you see it works and you want to put more money, you can do so, but you don't need to. This is $50 free for you forever, okay? But be fast. I don't know how long time I can have this up for you. So be fast to register so you get this $50 free from me. Okay, so then you go to F, this F you see up here, okay, and you push the B button. You're going to add the Bollinger Band, okay. But do me this favor, like this video, share it with your friends. Like, I don't know how long time I can keep this up to give $50 free for everyone, but share with your friends, like this video, make comments, and if you're not a subscriber, subscribe now. Do this favor for me at least. So now I'll show you my strategy that you can choose to use or not, up to you. So the upper band, I typically like to put that one white, okay? And I like also to put this lower one white. Okay, so you do like that. So the strategy is very simple actually. Now you want to see places where you see the market have touched it many times, okay? So we can clearly see up here, we can put one line. So we put a horizontal line here. You'll find many strategies, by the way, on YouTube, but this is the only one that I have found out is working. So take it as it is. You find too many strategies and all this bullshit, but basically it's not working if you backtest it. I can show the one in the top here now. We would have one in the bottom also. Let me see, we need to be, I think we can put one line there. Okay, let's make that a green one, and like this. So the strategy works like this. The Bollinger Bands show basically the trend, okay? So if this white line you see here now cross above this red line you see up here, that means we need to move it, because that means the market is ready. In that way we would have moved it up in this region you see here. So as long as this two Bollinger Band is in between our lines, that is our trading zone. So when we come up to this red line here now, as long as this Bollinger Band keep below it, we will then just push the down button. That's simple, but you need to touch the line. So this one here need to come up to this red line as long as this white Bollinger Band is below it. Same goes for the green line you see here. To push the up button, you see that I did put the colors, it's more easy for you to understand. So as long as this Bollinger Band here is above this green line, we are happy. So basically these two Bollinger Bands need to be in between the lines. You can see this area is very strong support, resistant support, okay? But you see we cannot put one here because that means this Bollinger Band will be below it. That is basically the strategy. This you can do on any currency pairs or crypto, whatever you want to do. I typically go in and I find the one that gives me the highest percent. So when I look through this list, we can see 75. So I would not have chosen euro against dollar, I just did show the example there. But in this case, I would have chosen, for example, Australian dollar against the Japanese yen, for example. Or this one here, or whatever. Euro against this, yeah. You got the point. So that's basically the strategy that you can start using today, and this is a strategy that will make you money. You will not get many trades a day, but the trades you do, they are with a high probability to win. Okay, so once again, this is a video where I give you free money. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you can like this video. I hope you can share it with your friends. And be fast, because I do not know how long time I can keep this going. So $50 free for you. Have an amazing day.